Can we do it then?
India's drone industry is growing fast, but growth brings a challenge. There are not enough trained professionals. Many people think flying a drone is easy, but flying is just one small part of the job. Professional drone operations require understanding airspace rules, safety protocols, mission planning, payload handling, risk assessment, and data interpretation. There's a big difference between someone who can lift a drone and someone who can operate it responsibly for agriculture, industrial inspections, defense support, or mapping projects. That gap is what slows industries down. And this is where Garuda Aerospace is stepping in. Through its structured RPTO training programs, Garuda is building more than pilots. It's building skilled professionals. Students learn aviation basics, regulations, simulation practice, real flight training, and real-world mission scenarios. But training alone isn't enough. Garuda focuses on ecosystem thinking, connecting manufacturing, training, operations, and industry deployment under one system. Because a strong drone industry doesn't just need machines. It needs capable people behind the controls. And by investing in skill development, Garuda Aerospace is helping shape India's next generation of aviation professionals, ready not just to fly, but to lead.